everybody. Hi, I'm Claudia.
And I'm Tony.
Thank you so much for opening the video today. Ladies and gentlemen, we're still in Jamaica. We are in St. Elizabeth. We are going to be entering Luana. But we're actually going to a lovely 4 acres in Negril. What's the place called?
No, it's not Negril. It's called
Black River.
It's called Sandy Ground.
Sandy Ground in Black River.
Yes.
Why do I keep saying Negril? I just love Negril though. We were in Negril the other day, ladies and gentlemen. Man, what a beautiful little town. I mean, yeah, I would live in Negril. Welcome to Luana. If you continue, head to Treasure Beach. But we're turning right
On Brompton Road.
Brompton Road at the Total Gas Station. So ladies and gentlemen, you're traveling with us to this location. While you're doing that, Tony have some lovely things that you found on the NHT website. I tell you, sick man, when you research, you find things, things you never know about. Well, I knew about one of them that she's going to be telling you about, which is the contribution refund towards deposit loan, right?
Right.
Contribution refund towards deposit loan, ladies and gentlemen. For those of you who have bought properties from Tony and myself, we always tell you about that loan. So what exactly is it, Tony?
Okay. In recognizing this challenge faced by many prospective homeowners, the National Housing Trust in 2010 introduced the contribution refund towards deposit loan. This product is available to NHT contributors who are purchasing a property being funded by a NHT mortgage to assist with the required deposit and has a loan tenure of up to 8 years. The CRTD allow contributors to borrow up to 100% of their available contributions, which are not yet due for refund, providing that it does not exceed 15% of the selling price of the property being purchased. In instances where the amount received via CRTD does not satisfy the deposit requirement or complete the purchase of the property, the balance due as the deposit or to complete the purchase of the property must be paid by the contributor.
What a mouthful. So break that down, man. Break that down in our language.
I think basically they're saying if you had contributions to the NHT that you did not take back when they have that refund.
Well, the refunds are up to 7 years. So let us say you did take back the refunds, which are up to 7 years in the back.
Mm-hmm.
So now we're in 2020. You can probably get refunds up to 2013.
Mm-hmm.
But they're saying they will lend you 2014, 15, 16, 17, maybe up to 2018. They will lend you all those refund contributions that would be due to you down the road.
Mm-hmm.
They're going to lend you it now for you to use as part of your deposit. Now, I've had clients use it as part of their deposit or closing costs.
Mm-hmm.
They're also saying as long as those contribution refunds do not exceed 15% of the purchase price.
Right.
So if you're buying a house up for 10 million and your contribution refund come up to 1.5 million, you can get it to use as part of your deposit or closing costs.
Okay.
I've had persons go there and have used it for their total deposit amounts.
That's nice.
Right. So ladies and gentlemen, you buy the house from us, we always tell you about that loan. And it has helped a lot of our buyers to buy homes. So those of you who didn't know, I encourage you, if you haven't yet bought your home, to stop taking those yearly contributions. Because what you're buying with it anyway, you're buying anything of value, Tony?
Probably not.
You don't even know what you spend the money on, right?
And right there, that's like a little savings.
Yeah,
right
and that's
there.
a little savings that you have there. So really and truly, stop. We didn't take our contribution refunds. What they did, they go towards our mortgages, right,
Yes.
Tony? And they paid down our mortgages real fast. So stop run behind NHT every January and beg them both for them little full money, them man. You want big money, right? It's like this song by T.I. that I was listening to. The man said, big things popping and little things stopping you. I just love the song. Big things popping and little things stopping you. So you can get the big money. Contribution refund for you as your deposit.
Okay, you're too licky.
But you're too licky run go and take the liquor money every year and it has stop you now. You can't even get the deposit. Come on, guys. Be sensible with your money. Right? It's your money, but I want you to use it wisely. What's the next benefit that NHT they're saying that they will give you, Tony Ann?
The home grant.
The home grant. I've had clients who use that as well. Now imagine you work in our company and them give you how much, Tony?
The home grant is a special offer of up to 2.5 million to NHT contributors who are earning less than 15,000 Jamaican dollars per week and who do not yet own a home. The grant may be combined with an NHT loan to purchase land or a residential property or to build. Who can apply for the grant? All NHT contributors who are earning less than $15,000 per week may apply as long as they satisfy the following conditions. They must have contributed to the NHT with a minimum of 7 years.
For a minimum of 7 years?
Yes. They must have made at least 52 weekly contributions.
Okay.
13 of those contributions must have been made during the 26 weeks period leading up to the date of the application.
Okay.
Applicants must not already own a home.
Afford a house, alright.
And should not have received a previous loan from NHT.
So me and you can't get that.
Applicants must have proof that they are ready to utilize the grant.
So they must find the house already. So ladies and gentlemen, any more conditions?
And 2 eligible contributors may co-apply under this program.
So Tony can apply and get $5 million. As I go? 2.5 million each? How are you said to me? So hold on there. NHT give away 2.5 million and you not go feed people and a ball about and you can't buy a house. You only have to be contributing for what, 7 years? So if you started contributing when you were 20, you could have, at age 27, 28, you could have now been applying and get the grant if you were earning only $15,000 per week. Am I correct?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. So them Jamaican people are bad over, they can't buy a house. Something can't go so. Alright, we're actually at the landing of people. We came down on the Brampton Road and we made the left turn right at this gas station. This is a Unipet gas station. So when you come to this Unipet gas station, down that way is Black River, right?
Yes.
Not this property that have the fence, that have the barbed wire fence. It starts right here now where I am. So this is the land on my left.
All that you can see to the left.
Yes, all of this bush and tree and whatever.
Right up to this
And
house.
right up to this property, this house, right? It stops. So if you're interested in that, you need to give me a call.
876 292 677666. You want a house? Link Claudia Davis, man. You want a piece of land? She are the real big woman. Miss Davis, she are the real big woman. With she you coulda never go wrong with she. You can own house and a van through she. You can own acre land. Miss D are the real big woman. With she you coulda never go wrong with she. You can own house and a van through she. You can own acre land. She tell me pre-smart, pre-better. Get your own damn place so you prefer every day. Me wife if you sign up letter car. NHT them a real trend setter. Plus me don't get a youth of a member. Me son just on table in December. And she do construction too. She will build your house for you and you get it well rendered. Davis, she a the real big woman. With she you coulda never go wrong with she. You can own house and a van through she. You can own acre land. Miss D a the real big woman. With she you coulda never go wrong with she. You can own house and a van through she. You can own acre land. She now start it and left you there. Me I tell your brother, yes, she well prepared. And if you're meeting and no farmer panga wrong, she give you lawyer, brother, clear your fear. She are the best RST agent. She help the need if you stop pay rent. They no care about mind, them just give me strength by steel and gravel and black and cement. Now me house that I build up on the eye. Me I save some me money gone up in the sky from. Me Claudia, me say me nah lie bang. Have money and me pocket never giant. Me swear for me life, say me son him have to fly so. Hypocrite pagan while we die. You can't stop Claudia Davis, don't try. Every day another house gone. Miss Davis, she are the real big woman. With she coulda never go wrong with she. You can own house and a van through she. You can own here call and Miss D are the real big woman. With she coulda never go wrong with she. You can own house and a van through she. You can own here call and yeah man, you know. It's Claudia Davis. Big up yourself. That's a like, subscribe, and share. Claudia Davis can get your house anywhere. Just be prepared without no fear.